Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can enable Snapchat dark mode on your phone. So when you go to Snapchat, you see that mine is in light mode. So for doing that, I have to go to the settings, then scroll down until you see about device, and then scroll down until you see version. Then tap on build number a lot of time until at the bottom it says developer mode is on. For me it's on, so all I have to do is go back and then search for developer options and then scroll down. See this option called override force dark, so tap on this one. But if it still doesn't work, then go to your settings and scroll down until you see I need help and then search for dark mode. Click on this one and then click on yes. I need help with the Snapchat feature, then settings, and then dark mode, and then click on yes again. And then enter your username and the email that you're connected with, and in the description write, hey Snapchat, currently I don't have the dark mode option on Snapchat, please enable this for me, thank you, and then press on submit. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.